I built this battery box over a decade ago, and it's time for a new one. It's crusty, the latch is broken, it's time for an update. Let me show you how to do that in 5 minutes or less. I'll keep the talking to a minimum. It'll be easy to follow along, trust me. You're gonna need these things. Lineman's pliers. Crimpers. A screwdriver. A rusty set of strippers. A 1/8 drill bit. A 1-inch hole saw and a drill motor. An impact drill. A flamethrower. I forgot to even use this. Heat shrink tube. An assortment of butt splices and ring terminals. 2-pin waterproof connectors. An inline fuse holder. A through-hole wiring plug. And the parts that come with it. Since this is going to be hiding in my kayak, I'm not really worried about it looking perfect, so I didn't take the time to measure out the holes. I just went for it.
Oh, thank you so much.
Make sure you tighten the chuck on your drill there. After you drill the first screw hole, screw it down on one side so you don't need to measure for the second hole. So I lost the other plug, so I'm drilling my own holes now. Hobie sells a through-hole wiring kit for $30. I found the parts to make my own for like less than 10. Always do a tug test just to make sure that everything crimped down correctly. And that's why you give it a little tuggy. And there you have it. Super simple, super cheap. This should last me another 10 years at least.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make a DIY